Okay, this film project is old school pressure cooking with a propane stove and an old Presto cooker. We did navy beans with onions, tomatoes, garlic, and a little bit of sausage tops in there. This is a Presto 4/6 quart with an indicator top as opposed to a rattle top, and then the benzomatic 2 propane stove here. Tough stove to work with, didn't really have the BTU output. A lot of outdoor stoves don't. If you're going to cook a large quantity of stuff, you almost need to use a larger stove. But in this case, it took a little while to bring the Presto up to temperature. If you leave it on with the lid loose until it boils, then you can put the top on, and once the steam's coming out, and set your timer. For navy beans, traditional cook time, quick release is 5, 6, 7 minutes, maybe a little bit longer in this outdoor environment. For lentils, it's a little bit more. Garbanzos, it's up to 15 minutes. This is the quick release method. Usually you would plunge it underwater or something. Just use the barbecue tongs to take the lid off and release the pressure. But the finished product was delicious, nutritious, mostly vegetarian with a little meat flavoring. I think I got some sour cream here that's coming up. And the dog, of course, likes the smell of it as well. So anyway, that's my story. Thanks for watching.